Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your go-to channel for tech tips and tutorials. Today, let's dive into how to use your phone as a TV remote. Because digging through couch cushions for the actual remote is so last decade. Whether yours is lost, broken, or just buried under a mountain of snacks, your phone's got your back. Make sure that you have installed Google TV. And make sure that the cast screen is turned on in your TV. If you are done installing it, just click the app. Click TV nearby, search your TV here, and now it is connected. You can use the app, down, left, right button. You can type using your keyboard as well as adjust the volumes of your TV. Turning your phone into a TV remote is easier than finding batteries for the old one. Just download a remote control app like Google TV or your TV brand's own app, LG, Samsung, etc. Open it, connect to the same Wi-Fi as your TV, and boom, your phone is now the boss of the big screen. Volume up, channel change, even typing in Netflix searches is way easier. Lost remotes? Not your problem anymore. If this video helped you, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more easy tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.